Hi guys! So today I'm very happy to be announcing my very first giveaway. I've just hit 100 subs, and while it's very little, I know it's at least a beginning for me, and I'm really grateful for the little support that you've given me, and I totally want to help in growing this family, and I totally want to give back the love that I've got from you. So this is my very first giveaway. It's going to be a small little one since it's just 100 subs for the moment. Eventually in future, as the family grows, I will be doing more and more giveaways. So first of all, would you like to hear the rules, or would you like to see the giveaway? I think maybe we'd get the rules out of the way, because I am so forgetful. I'm 100% sure to forget something, but everything is going to be listed in the description box, because knowing me, I am going to forget something. That's a given. So the first rule, of course, is you need to be a subscriber, because this giveaway is only for my subbies, and don't unsubscribe after the giveaway is over, because that's not a good thing to do anyways. And there are going to be more giveaways in future. You can always win. Don't have to get disheartened, and if you do that, I am definitely going to ban you from any future giveaways, and you wouldn't want that, because some of them are going to be really awesome. And the next thing is, this is open only to Indian residents for the moment. You need to be above 18, of course, all the boring things, I know, but we'll get this out of the way. And besides this, what else? The other rules, the real rules, are going to be, you just have to be subscribed. I don't want you to follow me on Twitter and Snapchat and any of that. I'm not even on Snapchat, but even what you need to do is, you will have to share this video on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, and tag me so I know you've shared it. I'll be putting up a post on my Insta, and you just have to tag some friends over there, and that's about it. Don't follow me anywhere. Just be this is open only to subscribers. So if you're not subscribed, you're automatically disqualified. So don't need to follow me on any social media. Just share this video so we can have more people enter, and tag your friends on the Instagram post I'll be putting up, and that's about it. So we are going to, and anything else I've forgotten, I'll list in the description box. Also, this is not sponsored. None of my videos are sponsored. Who's going to sponsor me? I'm a little sparrow. Everything is bought with my own money, because I want to give back to you from the bottom of my heart, and what better way to do this than this? So I'll start with the giveaway now. I've been collecting stuff for quite a bit now, in the hopes that one day I'll do a giveaway, and that day is here. So see, good things come to those who wait. So I'll start off with I'm going to be choosing two winners. The first winner is going to get these three things. The first would be, just a minute. So the first winner is going to be getting this NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick. This is a very beautiful lipstick. I've got 2 or 3 of these, and they are really pretty. This is in the shade 09, LSCL09. See the color, it's like really nice. She's going to be getting this, and she's going to be getting this choker, which I've gotten from H&M. I had a bunch of these, and I've kept some aside for some giveaways. And she's also going to be getting this colossal kajal. He or she, whoever wins this, I just chose this product because it seems to be really popular. People seem to like it a lot. There are better options in the market, and in future I'll probably be doing those. So these are the 3 things for the first winner. The second winner is going to get the Magnum Barbie Maybelline Mascara. This is supposed to be really good. I've heard good things about this too. And she's going to be getting this Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Cream. This is what it looks like. It's a very beautiful color. I asked him for Istanbul, but he didn't have it in stock. I cannot swatch any of these because they're all packed, of course, and obviously you can't get any swatches. So these are the 2 things the 2 winners will be getting. I'm starting with a small giveaway for a small subby base and a small channel, and as we grow, so will our giveaways. So I hope you enter, and I do hope you win. And even if you don't worry, you're going to have lots of opportunities in future. I have a big heart, and I have a lot of love in that for you, and I hope that our family grows and we help each other out, and I really want to be here for you. So that's about all I have to say right now, and or any other rules or anything of the sort is going to be listed in the description box, because like I said, I know I can bet I've forgotten something, but okay. So that's it. So take care of yourself for now, and I'll see you soon. Bye.